weather is awesome today. So we're going to head to the campground. The good thing is it only takes us about 20 minutes to get from home to the campground in the mountains. So here we are arriving at the campground and it is sunny. So the weather was not too bad over here. The clouds are over the mountains, not actually over where the campground is. So we're going to pull up here with the trailer. Okay, so we have site number 215. Well, these are cabins here. Those are rustic cabins which are for rent. So if you don't have a travel trailer or a tent, you can rent those cabins. Wow, it's busy. Almost every site is taken. So we're going to come down here and we are towards the end. So we have just finished setting up. Here's site 215. I've set up the RV, everything outside, detached the truck. There's Mac Dog peeking around to see where I am. I'll look around this side and we are set up. Looks a bit of a mess, but it's all ready to go. That one we bought a new gazebo, which we have set up over the picnic table so that at night or when it's raining we can sit in there, not get bothered by the mosquitoes and play a game in the dry. Well, I'm supposed to be taking him for a walk. And it turns out Matt Dog is taking me for a walk. He loves these trails. So what I'm going to do today, if we come into our site, is I'm going to use the new Traeger Ranger pellet grill to cook breakfast. We're going to do a cowboy breakfast. We're going to have eggs, bacon, some beef patties, and we're going to cook them all on the Traeger because inside we'll be using the cast iron skillet. So let's see how this goes. Yeah, almost. I want it to go to 300 and then I'll start cooking. Morning, Mac. How's it going? You like camping? Do you like camping? Yeah, you do, eh? Good boy. So before I start cooking, it is a Sunday morning today, so I'm going to mix up a mimosa and a ronda. So this should be nice, and then I'll be able to cook with mimosa in hand, and that will help my creation of breakfast. So here we go. Pop the cork, as they say. Rhonda will hear this and come running out, I bet. She doesn't know I'm making mimosas. Yeah. So as every good mimosa maker knows, bubbles first. And then we add the orange juice to make the magic. And probably half and half is what I'm going to do, because then you get to taste the bubbles, which is one of the main points of making it. Good old fresh orange juice, baby. Pour that in there. And there is a delicious mimosa. Okay, 2 of them. And I shall go and surprise Rhonda. I'll take her one. And I'm her favorite husband right now. She loved it. Cheers. We have some ground chuck beef burger patties with cheese in. So they're going to go on first. Right onto the Traeger hot plate right on here. I'm going to drop those on. Starting to sizzle. Awesome. That's what I wanted to hear. So that's exactly what I wanted to see, that sizzle on the hot plate. Okay, we're going to do a flip on these burger patties. Come and look at this. Let me go in a couple of minutes. And I'll start getting them evened out on both sides and flip them a few more times. And now the bacon's going to go on. Look at this thick cut bacon. And that's got fat on it, so it should come up nice and crispy. We cook it well enough. Put 3 on there, and then we'll put 1, just put it down here. Okay. Bacon, burgers. Now we're going to let that sit. I'm going to close the lid. See you in a little bit. I'm talking to the burgers, not you guys. So these are the Traeger pellets that we use for that grill. And this blend, you can get different flavors of wood. This one's called a signature blend. And it's good for general grilling, so ideal for the campsite. Well, that's looking pretty good. Cheese is coming out of the top of those burgers. I'll just check the pellets, make sure we've got enough in here. Yep, that's lots. Lots and lots. That'll do 2 cooks. Yeah, this is coming on nicely. Ready for the eggs in a while. Okay, we're going to do some flipping. Burgers. Whoa, they're looking pretty nice. We'll turn this bacon. Make sure it's getting nice and cooked, and then it'll start going crispy for us. Thank goodness we only do this on a Sunday, Rhonda.
Right.
Not really a healthy breakfast, is it? But you can see it's a little bit hotter over here because the bacon's getting more crispy. So I'll cook these a little bit longer, then I'll switch them. Looking good. I am so hungry. Okay, look at this. This is just about done. This looks so good. Okay. We got some cheese on this burger. Melt it down. This bacon's done. I'm going to grab that off right now. Okay, what's next? Put my grill on. Look at my cooking station. Isn't this awesome? I love it. So the grill's on because I'm going to grill the buns. The bacon's ready. The beef patties are ready. And I'm going to cook the 2 eggs right now. And I don't think I need any more oil on there. Number 1. And number 2. Close that down. Okay, the buns are on and grilling. The sauces are ready. Let's see how the eggs are doing. Oh, look at those. Yes, they're awesome. Okay, Rhonda's in the house, so I'm going to cheat a little taste of this bacon while she's not looking. Okay, here she comes. Wow, that is so good. Okay, it is time to eat. So hungry. Okay, got a plate. Got a bun for me. I'll do mine first, Rhonda, okay? There we go. So this is going to be a burger delight. That's going to go on my bun. Oh, that egg's a little bit overdone, but that's okay because the yolk's still good. That's going to go on top. This one's going to go on the side. We're going to have some bacon. I'm not going to put it on my burger because I like to eat the bacon separate. And then that lid's going to go on there. And these are homemade cowboy beans, baked beans with homemade bacon and molasses and tomato sauce.
Barbecue sauce, ground beef.
Okay, you're the cook of
maple
this.
syrup.
But there we go. So that is Glenn's manly Sunday morning breakfast camping.